Hi, I'm Alexis Bennett, and today I'm finally going to learn how to master brushed up feathered brows. I have Ana Marie Rizzieri here with me today to show us how it's done. So
super easy.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so basically what this brow is, it's going to be like an undone boy brow. So think a little bit more organic. So we're so used to like the perfect groom brow, you know. With this brow, you're kind of going to play it down. One, you just need to take a clean spoolie, clean brush, and what you're going to do, go with it and just brush them up, okay? Then you kind of want to brush them down. Figure out, you know, which way they're going to go, how they're going to go. Then you're going to take your pencil. We're going to just go in naturally and just fill in any type of like little sparse hairs. Okay?
And you're doing a back and forth motion?
We're doing a back and forth motion. So see, I'm really kind of staying higher with my pencil. You're just going to take the other end of your pencil, comb them up, and then the way you get them to be feathered is you're just going to take a clear liquid. You're just going to kind of just keep them straight up, giving you that look of that up feathered brow. You could go in with the other end of your spoolie, and then you're just gonna really stick them up, the feathers. And now you look like you can fly.
Yes, I need that.
It's like amazing on you.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, it was so easy. I love it. I love the undone look.
Yeah.
I feel like this is faster than trying to make them perfect because you take all day trying to perfect it. It's so fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love it.